Hello, Rose. How are you?
Fine. And you?
I am okay. I am very happy that you have passed the MBBS. Can you share your admission journey with me?
Yes, I can share with you.
Could you please share how you began your admission journey?
We have completed 12 years of our life by sitting for two major exams, the SSC and the HSC. I have done well in both of these exams. Now it is time for me to make the biggest decision of my life, what path I will choose and what I will pursue in my future.
Yes, you're right. Why have you chosen it? Why are you passionate about it?
Now I will tell what happened in my admission test. And I didn't have much money. My father struggled hard to manage expenses. For a poor family, fulfilling the dream of becoming a doctor is a daunting task. I always used to wonder what would happen to my dream.
It's a harrowing story. And then what happened?
After that, I got admitted into a coaching center. Then I started attending classes regularly. Every day there were tests at the coaching, and most of the time my marks were good, but sometimes they were not. I always kept thinking, will I really get a chance? Time was passing very quickly, and the exam was coming closer.
Yeah, very little time is given in the admission test. So tell me how you can manage.
By the way, I always pray to my God.
Outstanding. When do you read books?
One day before the exam, I organized my registration card and admit card in a file.
That's really awesome. I really like the reading list. In this situation, every student feels the same fear, but hard work never goes in vain. I understand your pain. I was also once in this situation. Where was your exam center?
My exam center was in Rangpur. In the morning, I offered my prayers and then sought blessings from my elders. After that, I left for the bus to go to the exam center.
What did you do on the day of the exam? Who went with you on the day of the exam?
On the day of the exam, I went with my father.
How was your exam? How did you and your family feel after seeing the result? How did you feel that day? Why have you chosen it? Is this your dream or your family's dream?
My exam went well. Finally, the exam was over and within 24 hours, the result was published. When I tried to see the result, the website was very jammed. After some time, I managed to see it. I had passed the MBBS admission test. I shared the news with family and friends, and my parents were very happy to see my success. That day, my feelings were mixed. On one side, I was full of fear, but on the other side, I was filled with happiness. For two reasons. It's a noble profession as it provides me with an opportunity to serve the helpless patients, and another reason is that it is a prestigious profession. This is my father's dream.
In the next step, what do you want to do now if you become a successful MBBS doctor?
So it has been my dream since childhood. Since my childhood, I have had a dream to establish a government hospital for poor and needy people and provide free treatment.
That's really very good planning. I really like your planning. Do you have any other plans?
In my hospital, I will use modern equipment and keep it clean and hygienic so that I don't face any problems.
That's really awesome. Now tell me where you will establish this hospital. Honestly, your plan has motivated me. I'm sure that whatever you have in your environment will definitely succeed. And then what are you doing?
Now telling you, I plan to set it up in a location, either in the city or a village, where proper medical facilities are lacking and people cannot easily access healthcare. This is the plan I have carefully thought about.
I properly observed that the hospitals in our area are poorly managed. As a result, many people lose their lives because of inadequate medical care.
For this work, I will need support from the government. I will submit a proper proposal to the government. This will be very important for our cause, as many people go to the city for treatment. That's why I have thought that we need to submit a proposal to improve our hospital.
Many poor people cannot access medical treatment. They have to spend a lot of money traveling outside their area, yet many lose their lives because proper healthcare is not available. Being a doctor is very challenging. The general public depends heavily on them, and we have to endure a lot of hard work during the 5 years of the MBBS course. Only then can we finally become doctors. Only after completing this rigorous journey can a person truly become a qualified doctor capable of serving society. Excellent! I congratulated you on your plan. I'm there for prayer and hope that you would be kind enough to take the necessary steps for my medical life.
Yeah, same thing in my mind. Always try my best, face it bravely, and move forward. Thanks a lot.
Thank you too, and bye.